بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على الهادي محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم أجمعين. We're very honored actually to start our halaqa tonight with the Shahada of Sister Shannon, alhamdulillah. And let me kind of walk you through what we normally do here because I know everybody does this a little bit differently. The way I like to do this is kind of meet you a little bit, if that's okay. It looks like you have a whole built-in crowd of friends, family, all different people holding phones and excited to videotape this, mashallah. So I'm excited to get to know who you are a little bit. And if you're willing and can share with us a little bit about your journey to Islam and what brought you to it, we'd love to hear.
My name's Shannon. Uh, Hi. I'm really nervous. I don't relate to crowds. Um, I think Islam is a beautiful religion, and everybody who's in it is really beautiful as well. They're all very open people and kind people. And yeah,
Thank you for sharing. Could you tell us about where you're from? Like where do you live around here?
I live in Alameda, so it's a little bit of a trek to come here. But I work out here as well. So
What do you do?
I manage at a restaurant called Any Burger.
Excellent. Inshallah. Is this the Any Burger family here? Yeah.
Yes.
That's wonderful. So you're kind of you're already part of our community.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent. And is there anything about Islam in particular that really kind of struck a chord for you?
Um, it seems that you gain a sense of peace within yourself and within others, within the religion and your surrounding people, which is really nice as well.
Yeah, I agree. I agree. Well, thank you for sharing, Shannon. I know it's not super easy to be given a microphone suddenly. Inshallah. I do this because I think it's beautiful to get to know you before kind of doing the shahada, and also for others to also hear. Because for us, and I'll explain how we do the shahada together. Um, you one could do this kind of just very quick because it is fairly quick to kind of say the words of the shahada, but I prefer that we actually do this as a group, kind of in unison. And so what I do is I will be saying to you slowly, word by word, the Arabic words. And then we will do the English translation of it. And then I do it again, but with the whole group, and actually ask the entire room to repeat their own Shahada. And the reason I do this is because it is beautiful to continue to renew one's declaration of faith. Right? So I have all of us do this together. And then there's usually a lot of hugs that follow. So just a fair warning. I also wanted to tell you just a couple of things. The day a person takes their shahada, we believe in Islam, it's like you're essentially reborn, essentially as though to say everything good you did up until this point will continue to be part of your book of deeds. It's there, it doesn't go away, it doesn't suddenly vanish. And that anything that was not so good gets completely erased tonight. And so we believe that's where the idea of the reborn comes in, because it's essentially like the day your mother gave birth to you, like just completely clean slated, which means it's also a very powerful day for prayer and dua. Dua is the kind of just prayer from the heart. And I hope that you will keep us in your prayers. We will keep you in our prayers. And I ask usually at the end, same thing as I did at the beginning, might give you the mic again if you're okay with it, and just ask you to make a prayer for us, even if it's very short. How does that sound? Okay. So brave. I love it. I also wanted to just give a couple of just words of just a couple of words. I don't know if call it advice or however you wish, but it's this journey is a lifelong journey. It's you're starting something, you're embarking on something that is forever, God willing, inshallah. And that means that don't rush everything all at once. You're going to have a lot of people who just love you and adore you and want to tell you everything that they're excited about, but it might be overwhelming. So take it one step at a time, and take it as as it comes day by day, and know that you have many sisters amongst us to help you and assist you in this process. Sound good?
Yeah.
So a marathon, not a sprint, is what we say. All right, you ready? All right, let's do this. Everyone ready? All right, Bismillah. So I'll say the Arabic word by word, and then I'll kind of give you the microphone like this to repeat it, and then the English, and then we'll do the joint one together. Good? All right, Bismillah. Ashhadu
Ashhadu
alla
alla
ilaha
ilaha
illallah
illallah
wa ashhadu
wa ashhadu
anna
anna
Muhammadan
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Yes, mashallah. I bear witness
I bear witness
that there is no God
that there is no God
except Allah.
except Allah,
And I bear witness
and I bear witness
that the Prophet Muhammad
that the Prophet Muhammad
is his final messenger.
is his final messenger.
Allahu Akbar, takbir. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Let's do this together. Yes, ready everyone? Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is no God except Allah. And I bear witness that the Prophet Muhammad is his final messenger. Takbir! Allahu Akbar. May I have the first hug?
Yes. Welcome.
So many welcomes to you, Shannon. We're so excited to have you join us. And whenever you can from Alameda, make it your way here to Pleasanton. Please know you have a home here and a family here and a whole sisterhood here. And let us be the first to give you the first of the gifts that I'm sure will come your way. We have a set here called Being Muslim, and inside there are some beginner books on Islam, a prayer rug, a Quran to read, and some other, things that might kind of just start your journey. So we hope you'll find it beneficial and that you'll join our community here, inshallah. All right, here come all the hugs. Fair warning. All right, Shannon, take good care. Mashallah, we have all kinds of hugs here, guys. Inshallah. The sisters online who are wondering what's happening, maybe the camera can pan to all the hugs that are happening. Aww. Mashallah. Inshallah. Aw, just the sweetest. Mashallah. Mashallah. Shannon, you're getting lots of virtual hugs from online. You are literally getting global hugs, not just across America. Alhamdulillah. You have hugs from Malaysia and from Singapore. Oh my, mashallah. India, mashallah. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And the UK, alhamdulillah. Toronto. Oh my goodness, and from Kenya too. Goodness, mashallah. Syria, what? Mashallah. And Philistine, really? Amazing. Australia and Dubai. Mashallah. And then, of course, all the cities. I'm not ignoring my American sisters. Don't worry, don't worry.